Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about gold. So let's get started. First thing I want to show is this chart here, and this is basic Elliott wave chart. That what happened. Basically, very simple and basic. You have 5 waves going to the upside, 3 waves coming to the downside, or vice versa, right? 5 coming down as an impulse wave, 3 wave as a correction. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all these waves have their own measurement, specific calculation, specific measurements. So when I located these waves on a gold monthly chart, for example, this is the chart, right? So this is the chart, and I said, well, this big wave 3, I forgot to type here wave 3. And this is wave 3, wave 4. I'm going to just show you on a live chart. But this chart, by the way, this is October 22. I made this okay, this was, and then wave 5 was underway, and then wave 5 has 5 subwaves, just like this one, this chart here. See this wave 5? After 3, 4, this big wave 3, then 4 will have, this 3 waves correction. Then 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will finish up this wave 5, big one, with this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, black count. Exactly the same way. See this was wave 3, this was wave 4, that 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we need wave 5 to the upside here. So I made this chart. Is it finished here, wave 4? That was my question. A, B, C correction, is it finished? If it is, the only way we can tell is that if it start to rise from here, right? So what happened to this chart is, okay, at the same time, I made the weekly chart as well. So weekly chart showing big wave 5 of big wave 5. Big wave 5 has 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5. So that this wave 5 will finish up with this wave 5, right? Okay, so this is wave 4 and this wave 5. Now, so what happened? This chart, it is start to go to the upside. So that's like confirmed that, okay, wave 4 is finished here. Now we are going for wave 5. And this will finish up a wave 5 on the monthly chart, right? Now, let me show you the live monthly chart. This was the live monthly chart. It was like, this is big wave 3. Boom, right? And then it drop here, A, B, C, A, and then ending diagonal, typical wave 4 correction. And after that, wave 5 started. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that will be wave 5 to the upside. That was the idea back then, right? So it was started to go up. Now I'm going to skip a lot of charts in between. This is December 22nd already. So what happened to this chart? Slowly we go, and then we see this in February 10. I make this chart. It went up, and I made a ton of charts showing exactly step by step that when it's going to go up, when it's going to go down, and then it's going to go up. I was following this chart exactly, this gold the whole way to the upside. Now this was the recent latest chart. 10th February I made this. This is a weekly chart, by the way, right? So I said, okay, this one maybe is going to drop to 1987 or 1959 and then bounce and then go maybe all the way to here, 1920, who knows? But the idea was, the final target was this, 127 from here to here. And an extension from here to here is coming a little bit above that. So I'll show you that one as well. So what happened to this chart? It came down a little bit to 1987, and then it started to go up, right? This is 23rd February, and then boom, for March 4th, and we end up like this on March 7th. We hit this target. This is like the extension level from here to here, this. But there is another extension level. This is between wave 3, 4, and that should be also 127. Right, extension between for wave 5. So let's take a look at that. What happened to that? You see this, the fib from here to here, and then 127 is just like that, right? So now I think the game is over to the upside. If wave 5 is finished, just like this diagram, then what do we have? If wave 5 is finished, remember that, if wave 5 is finished, is it finished? Is it going to hold? Time will tell, right? But if it starts to drop and I find in my setup Short setup, I'm going to try. I'm going to take it, right? I'm not going to let it go. So this is my recent analysis. This is the chart that I just made a few hours ago, well, maybe an hour ago. It is 3:36 a.m. On Friday. I mean, not Friday. I think it's today is what, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? I lost track, man. Okay, so but anyway, the March 12th, right? March 12th. I think it's Tuesday, and 3:36, right? AM. I just made the chart, and then it is probably gonna drop. If it's gonna hold here and it's gonna drop. Now, at the same time, what's happening to the monthly chart was this. The monthly chart, recent, I'm gonna show you the recent one, not the old one. So this is the one I made on the 23rd February when I made the weekly chart. And in this way, in this chart, I use the other tool, the Fib expansion tool, for the target of wave 5 using this tool. And the idea is that this, let me show you here. The wave 3, I mean, wave 5 should be how much? Let's go take a look. Just gonna show you quickly here. Man, what's up? Where'd it go? Okay, wave 5 is usually 61% of wave 3. 61% of 61.8% of wave 3. There should be another chart. Okay, I have missing. Okay, so you got it. So 61.8%, right? How do we measure that? We measure wave 3 and starting from wave 5 from here, and it should be 61%. Usually, right? It could be more or less sometimes, but usually, ideally, is 61%. So if we go and take a look at that, if I pull see this white one, the white line, not the black one, the white line, and then this is the third point that wave 5 is starting from here. So you see the 61% is coming exactly there, right? So that was my target set for this wave 5. So this wave 5 will end the big wave 5 on the monthly chart. So what happened to this chart is, boom, we hit this target as well. So this is hit, and the target for extension on the weekly chart is also hit. And I made this chart also. The before chart is right now is my chart is this. If we don't go above it, if we stay below this, we can come back, retrace, just like this drop here. We're going to drop here on this, either these highs or maybe even lower than that, or to the TL, right? Again, if we stay below this, that's the thing. If we stay below this, I think that the number would be like 2180, I would say. In fact, the highest we made just now on this chart, let me see, the highest we made, we will say that that one is the highest, 2195, right? So if we can hold 2195, or should I say 22, then we will retrace again, right? So this is again, the game is over. 3, 4, and wave 5, 1, ABC 2, 3, ABC 4, and then ABC 5. More and more I see in Forex that the wave 5, it's supposedly be 5 waves, 5 subwaves, but usually it comes in 3 waves as well. I don't know about the stock market, maybe it's, but Elliott wave now, maybe, the study of Mr. Elliott was perfect, but what's happening now is more and more I see wave 5 end up in 3 waves like that, right? Can it go to the upside? Yes, of course. Right? It's all depend on the fundies and all that. Whatever is happening all around the world. But again, theory is theory, practical is practical. Let's see. We already reached to the target. I would say first target. Maybe there is a second target. Maybe it will go to 100%. Who knows, right? So time will tell. But my idea is that we probably gonna drop from here and start the retracement. Why? Because I think that the USD also flipping. Let's take a look if I have. I have the charts. I made the chart here, and I don't know if I have the latest template and load template. Let me see. Let me try if I have it here. Okay, USD weekly, the December, February 19. Here I have latest February 19. How? This is a weekly chart. US dollar index. Oh no, February 10. Let me see this one. Not even that one. Need to have recent one was like, well, this is okay as well. I made this chart that as long as we stay below 13 and 90, we're gonna drop, right? So that's what we are doing so far, right? So we drop from here, held below 1390, and if it start to drop, I don't know what kind of effect it will have, but it will change a lot of things, right? So maybe gold also will retrace because of that. Maybe not. Let me go quickly and then take a look at the US dollar index because it's just look a little crooked to me. What the heck is happening here? Why don't I have a template? I don't understand. Or maybe it's somewhere else. Or maybe it's not showing there, it's just a glitch. All right, this is a chart I made. Right, when it was here, I said it was gonna drop, and then either it's gonna go back up to 78, or maybe this blue line is my second. This, by the way, this is US dollar index weekly chart. So if it's gonna drop all the way here, right? So let's see what happened. It's so far, it's so good. Last week it just simply dropped here, as I said, beautifully, and then this is a 40-minute chart. That's what I was expecting. I made the chart that's gonna go up from here to here for wave 4, right? If it is wave 3, it's wave 1, 2, 3, and here we're gonna have flat correction. This is a very nasty wave, by the correction, either flat or triangle or whatever it comes in. It's gonna be not very good, right? So everything, all the US dollar pairs, right? It's in trouble right now. So maybe a few days, and then it will drop for wave 5 again. Then I'll be all over these things again. All right. So just wanted to show with you guys that what is happening in gold, and this is my monthly chart analysis and current, and this is so you saw that how I was tracking from here all the way, step by step by step, and I have tons of videos on my channel that you can watch. That I pinpoint every single move. That when it went there, then it's gonna drop here, 1802, then it's gonna bounce. Then again, I said it's gonna drop here, and then it's gonna bounce, and it did exactly that. If you understand, this like fib mumbo jumbo, then you can pinpoint the things. But like I said, that if it can stay below this 2195, we have a good chance of dropping. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get these videos on time, so you can take advantage of it. Okay, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later.